Hello and welcome to this video. If you clicked on this video, it's because you want to know the secret to a perfect Valentine's, which I actually have no idea what it is. But as the saying goes, the way to a person's heart is through their stomach. So today I'm gonna turn into the ultimate love baker. Let's get our baking gear on. Yes, chef. Let me give you a rundown of everything we're making today. So, these are some of the items we're going to be using. We're gonna start with heart-shaped sugar cookies and decorate them. It's gonna be really fun. Then we're going to make probably some form of pink drinks. Then we're going to make tiny heart-shaped bundt cake thingies. It's gonna be great. Using our, what is this called? This is called something. Using box cake mix because I am slightly lazy and I don't wanna make that by scratch. We're gonna use candy hearts to decorate some of this. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're gonna use some Valentine sprinkles. Probably a lot of food coloring. I don't know if you know this, but Valentine's is my absolute favorite holiday. Okay, let's get baking. The first thing the cookie instructions said to do was add half a cup of butter and mix it with 1 cup of sugar. So we're gonna do that. Wait, okay, how does this work? Oh, it fell apart. Very nice. I did it, guys, I did it. This is so beautiful. I'm doing such a beautiful job. Butter. Now 1 cup of sugar. I feel like this might be a little more speed. Yoink. Cane sugar. Gotta smile while you do it. Now I'm on this side. Now I'm on this side. And just turn that bad boy on. And it's about done. It should look like this. And now we're going to add our eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Guys, this smells really good. Here, smell. Did you smell some? Makes me want some coffee. I'm wearing a skirt today. You can't see this. I have a really cute outfit on. Let me show you my outfit. Now let's make some coffee. This is my cup. I want to show you that. My cup is also Valentine's themed. Home Goods, you take all my money. I have to use one of these because I'm a little too short. Got it. Oh, I should probably check on that. I think it's ready. We'll pause on the coffee. Oh, I spilled it. Half a teaspoon of salt. So I think one cookie's probably gonna be saltier than all the others. We're going to be adding 2 cups and 1/4 a cup of flour. And they say to do it slowly, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So we're just gonna do it quick. We're not gonna follow the instructions. I am using gluten-free flour 1-to-1 ratio from Trader Joe's because I am gluten-free. So everything I will be making in this video is gluten-free. Very, very doughy cookie-like. Yeah. I wonder if it tastes good though. Tastes like cookie dough. Really quick though, before we start rolling out our dough, I need some coffee. We're gonna make some iced coffee using our beautiful instant coffee. Oh, look at these spoons. I love these spoons. These are so cute. In fact, if you like anything in my kitchen and my kitchenness, I got everything from Anthropology and a little bit on Amazon, and you can check that video from 2 or 3 videos ago. Wow, cool. Milk and water, is that gross? Is this still good? I don't trust it. Cute little glass bottle. Water. Good enough. I forgot to put sugar in it. Okay, back to baking. Now it's time to roll out the dough. It's not working. Guys, I don't have a rolling pin. I got a full bottle of Justin wine. Yeah, get on there. We got it all nice and flat. We got a big heart, a squiggly heart, a regular heart. It's time to put our beautiful cookies in the oven. It's so hot. 10 minutes on the strawberry timer. We're gonna let it sit and in 10 minutes we'll take it out. In the meantime, let's make some frosting. 2 cups of powdered sugar. We're gonna do 1 egg white. Hello? Hello? Who is this? It was some rando. Baking is messy. We do our best here though. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Wait, is it working? What am I doing? Our timer just went off. It's time to take the cookies out of the oven. These are my cute little strawberry shortcake mittens. Please don't burn my eyelashes off. A little overcooked, but it's okay. Let's decorate. So I made some pink icing. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, I'm very nervous. This isn't so bad. I want this cookie to be pink. Like so. Doink, that's cute. I got this cute sugar glitter stuff. One cookie down, a whole bunch more to go. This is what we have for our cookies. We finally decorated all of them. We're on to the second round of baking, which consists of heart mold shaped cake molds, heart shapes. Let's go make some cake. That wasn't English. So I started this baking journey at like 1 p.m. and it is now, I think, 8 p.m. Set oven to 350. Okay, 1 cup of water. Double yolk. Another double yolk. Is that gonna mess up the recipe if it asks for 3 eggs, but I got 2 double yolks with yolks? Third egg. I'm not, okay, look, see how that was like a third, it's a third double yolk.
Okay, so by this time I have no idea that my microphone stopped working and I was talking to the camera and I had no idea that it couldn't hear me. Anyways, so we ended up choosing the the hot fuchsia food coloring for this, and it ended up turning out so cute and so pretty. I don't know, I ended up overfilling it, as you'll find out later, but it looked really cool and it was a lot of fun. This was probably the easiest thing to bake out of everything. Set the timer for about half an hour and then we're gonna make that pink drink I was talking about earlier. Sort of pink drink. It's basically just juice ice cubes in the shape of a heart that are red, because you know, like little red Valentine's hearts, and then just adding some spindrift on top of that and making like a juicy bubbly water.
The moment we've all been waiting for exploded into like muffins. I'm going to have to cut off like the top. As you can tell, I'm slowly going brain dead because it's nighttime. Now that's more like it. Yes, I did. See that? It turned into like a purple color. It's hot cake. It tastes so good. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to decorate. Oh, normally these molds like never work. Oh, it is so cute. Look how cute this little cake is. Okay. Oh, now it's time to decorate it. Ah! That is so satisfying. I'm like stick my finger in it. No, I'm not going to because that'd be gross. Put that in the microwave. I always struggle. We're gonna pour this liquidy on this. Okay. Ah, this is scary. Yeah, give it that like glazed kind of look. You know what? This is fine. I have 2 sets of sprinkles. I think we're gonna try a little bit of both. See if I like this better. That's adorable, I love it. Amazing. Well, now our little bundt cakes are done. Thank you so much for baking with me and watching this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration, and happy Valentine's Day. And if you want to see more videos, click the subscribe button and notification button so I can keep making more videos. Okay, have a great day. Bye.